Hello all, I'm Roberto Fernández. I'm a research fellow working in the BCMaterials, the vast Center for Materials Application and Structures, and I'm the current coordinator of the project that I will explain to you. The SELFAQUASENS project is aiming to develop a new modular sorbent, membrane and sensor technologies that we will employ to eliminate toxic elements from water, while we will recover these critical raw elements that are industrially interesting for developing green transition technologies, for example. The impact that we want to have in the project are threefold. First is the development of portable technologies to remove toxic elements from water. The second one is to develop membrane or solvent technologies that could be applied in different applications within the mining industry. And the third one, that is one of the most important ones in the project, is the training of a new generation of researchers within the European and international community. So the materials that we are employed are many different materials, such as microporous materials, such as metal organic frameworks, silica gels, biopolymers, synthetic polymers, and even metallic ones that we use to print the electronic transducer system in the sensors. One of the most important objectives of the project is to integrate all these materials into final devices such as sensors, membranes, or filtering modules that works under the conditions that we want to apply them. The role of our center in the project is to coordinate the actions of all the partners involved in the action, that are many, 7 within Europe and 4 ones abroad in third countries. So you need to coordinate the scientific action, but as well the training actions that we will to develop or deploy to the researcher that we will move within the frame of the project. The project is funded by the Horizon Europe program within the Marie Curie Skłodowska type actions, and is an staff exchange action. That means that the project is focused on developing science and on developing science in a specific topic on environment, but the heart of the project is focused on the mobility of young and experienced researchers and the training of these young and experienced researchers to give them more opportunities to develop their careers in the future.